Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are installing cruise control to my Mk7 Fiesta. So first we're going to go to the Scrappys, try and get the cruise control trim and the loom, and then we'll get in here, get it coded to the car and go for the first drive. Okay guys, me and Mabel have just pulled up to the Scrappys now. Okay guys, we're in the car. I'm just about to take the trim off of the steering wheel we got in the Scrappys. It's 10 o'clock here now, so it's dark outside. I've got the light rigged up. I hope it's alright for you. It's alright for me. So, get this trim off. I get the other trim off, right? Some people say you don't have to take the airbag out because it's a pain in the hole, right? I'm going to try that first. If that isn't the case, we'll pop the airbag in that. But the bit I'm most excited about is the Forscan. You know what I mean? So we've got all that set up. I'll take you through that later. Also, this video has been done 100 times on YouTube, much better than I'm ever going to do it. So, with the Forscan and stuff, I'm just going to show you like what I see. I'm not going to show, for instance, Mendit Mod it. He's done a very detailed video, even getting your Forscan codes and all that. I'm not going to do that. You can go, I'll link his video down in the description so you can go and see that, because that's start to finish. So if you're wanting a full in-depth, you know, walkthrough, go and watch Mendit Mod, it's after mine. You go in through here. Right, so like that, right? And you see my Torx bit going in there. There we go, airbags out. Okay guys, here is the airbag. There's my Torx going through, right? So it goes through the wee channel there, right? A wee channel there. And it hits this spring here. So that's how you get the airbag off without ruining your steering wheel, well, minimally. There is a wee couple of holes in my steering wheel now. But it's nothing like, you know, it's not shredded, so I'm happy with that. Plus, I'd like to get a D steering wheel on this soon. Anyway, there's big plans for this motor. I'm not telling you just yet, but big plans. There's your original one that came off, just the volume. Basically, the only difference is one connector. That's really all it is. Here's the new one. 1, 2. That's it. That's the only difference I can see. There we go guys, we're in. Right, Forscan. First you need a OBD2 to USB, so I've got that one here. It's the same one for the Mendit Mod this video. I'll put it in my description as well. It's 30 quid or something. Made for Forscan, and just your classic USB, you know. So let's go ahead and get that in. To find my OBD port, man. There's there. Right, got it. It glows blue and green. Right, first time using Forscan. Gonna have a wee play about, so that'll be DTC, that's codes. No errors found, that's good. That's good. What's this? Dashboard. Oh, I don't even know, so I'm not going to touch that. Microchip. Right, let's do this. Cruise control. Central config. And you want to go to play. Please turn the ignition off. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Vehicle type EU Fiesta. Doors incorrect value or not configured. Wow. Transmission 2-wheel drive obviously. Engine 1.25, 80 PS. That's right. Petrol. Right hand drive. Correct. 5-speed. Dripped beam not configured. DRLs are in. Cruise control, without cruise control, right, okay. So, we're wanting to go cruise control, obviously. Click it. Okay. I think guys, now that we've done that, we'll go to right. Please confirm these changes. Name, old value, new value. Cruise control, without cruise control, yes. Action needed. Please turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Okay. Please cycle the ignition off and back on. Oh. How many times did it say? No, I don't even know. But see that, do you see that cruise control logo down there? That one? That's new. What else have we got in here, guys? Child lock. No go to child, just a dog. Launch assist. Ambient aesthetic lighting pack. Headlight cleaning, all that bloody wish. No alarm. Can we sort that bloody out? Yeah, engineering mode. Don't know what that means, but I'm not going to mess about with it. There you go, guys. Don't steal my motor, there's no going to alarm. Christ! Trim level cloth. But heated seats, that's one that we can do. Definitely. What does this mean? What is a reverse gear trim? Going to change reverse gear trim, why not? The dials are flickering. Good morning, guys. Didn't want to take you for the test drive last night because it was like 12 o'clock, you know, it wouldn't have been very good. Anyway, I took it a wee scoot around the scheme, everything's working, but I've not been over 30 miles an hour, so we're going to do that today. It's chucking it down. Last night I noticed that the LED's only working on the cruise control controls, but that's fine, I'll figure that out another time. Aye, so let's go and test it. So we've got on in the middle, off, left, cancel and resume on the right, then set plus and set minus. So imagine you hit on, get to the speed you want, 50, let's say, let's throw them on the nose at 50. So we press set plus, then it'll go on. This is quite a bumpy kind of cambered road, so the car's making its own adjustments, so it's just mental. It feels like a roller coaster. Oh, oh my god, this is mental, man. Absolutely mental. Oh, seriously, this is such a big, you know, comfort upgrade for me, because we've been doing like 500, 600, 700 miles in a day on up and down the motorways to like Manchester, Nottingham, whatever, or up north. And you know, by the end of it, my cramp is unreal. So with this, you know, on the motorway, it's going to be immense. I can't wait. I'm never going to stop talking about it. Last night, I also changed in Forscan my tyre sizes from 15s to 17s, which has been for about a year now. So hopefully the speedometer will be a bit more truer. And also, I put a chime for when I'm in reverse, just for a laugh. I'll probably turn it off because it's annoying me already, but I'll put that clip in here. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you'd like to see me building a Mark 6 Fiesta, you can see that up here in this corner. And I hope to see you next week.